Hey everyone, you're welcome to my channel Mr. Helper. Today I am going to show you how to change social club nickname. This is a requested video, that means one of you have asked me a question in one of my video. Today Stick Wolf commented on my video. It was worth watching. You are the best. Sir, can you please record a tutorial on how to change GTA Online player username? I hope Stick Wolf you are watching this video. Okay, so let me show you what you can expect from this video. Okay guys, so today I'm going to show you how to change your this nickname. Okay, as you can see, I'm hiding certain part of my nickname. Why? The only reason behind that is the very first 6 letters of this nickname is my real name, and at the moment I'm not ready to reveal my name. Okay, so please try to understand. Okay, there are few important things that you must know before changing your nickname, which I'm gonna talk about after this intro. So please stay tuned, keep watching. Okay, there are a few things that you must know before changing your nickname. The very first thing is, if you change your nickname in GTA Online, it will also gonna change your nickname in Red Dead Online. Okay, now the second thing is, once you change your nickname, you won't be able to change your nickname again for next 1 year, which is 365 days. Okay, so please choose your nickname properly. Okay, now the last thing is, changing your nickname will not gonna reset your account. That means all the progress that you have done in GTA Online, Red Dead Online, it will be still there. The only thing it is changing is your nickname. That's all. All the achievement that you have achieved, it will be there. Okay, all the save files will be there. Okay, so that's been said, let's get started. Okay, now the very first thing is, open my website, which is www.IAmMrHelper.com. Link is in the description box below. Open it. Okay, once you open my website, you can see that this post is at the first position. But as time will pass, this post will gonna move to the second position, then third position, and so on. And if you are watching this video after 2-3 months later, this post will not gonna be here. In that case, what you have to do is simply click over here, click on this search button and type how to change social club nickname. That's all you have to do. Just search it. Now open the post. Now scroll down. Now right over here you can see there is a link. In case if you're thinking that I'm providing you an scam link, don't worry. You can write over here at the left bottom of this screen. You can see that the link is redirecting you to official website of Rockstar Games. But still, if you're not interested to use my link, you can go to your social club account and go to the settings and you can redirect to the same page. Okay, click on this link. Okay, now enter your login details. And click on sign in. Okay, now right over here nickname, click on this edit. Okay guys, you won't be able to claim nickname if that nickname is already been claimed. Okay, now just type your nickname over here. And type your password over here and click on save changes. Okay, as you can see, Rockstar Games giving us a notification. You may only change your nickname once every 365 days, which I have already told you before. Would you still like to make this change? Yes. Click on confirm. Okay, as you can see, my nickname changed to this Spapno is live. Now let's see, does it change or not? Now all you have to do is just open your Rockstar Games launcher, run your GTA Online and check does it change your name or not. But before you do that, make sure to go back to my website again and right over here click on this your support required. Guys, if you want me to make videos on your topic also, just comment it in the comment box and I will see what can I do about that. If it's possible for me to make a separate video on your topic, I will definitely gonna do it. Okay, so please do comment. Okay, but before that, please make sure to support this channel by clicking on this link. Okay, and this is my YouTube channel link, my Mr. Helper. Okay, click on this link to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, as well as Tumblr. Okay, and one more thing guys, before you go, I know you want to check your nickname is changed or not, but please wait. I'm making this video just for you, so just waiting 2 more minutes will not gonna hurt you. So please, after subscribing to my this channel, please click over here. Yes, I have a second channel also. Click on this link to subscribe to my second channel as well. Click on this. Spapno is the second channel. As you can see right over here, this is my second channel name. Okay, Spapno. Click on this link to subscribe to my second channel as well. Please do support on that channel. Okay, so Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch and Tumblr. Follow me, like me, subscribe me. Okay, so guys, before you go, one more thing. I want to put a like goal in this video. I'm not gonna put a huge like goal. I just want 43 likes in this video. Let's see how fast can I get 43 likes in this video. Okay, show me a support. After changing your nickname, you have to sign in again to your Rockstar Games launcher. Otherwise, you won't be able to play GTA Online or Red Dead Online, or not even able to play any game of Rockstar Games. Okay. Click on sign in. So as you can see, my name is changed. Now it is saying Spapno is live. Okay, now you can play the game if you want. I mean, definitely you want. I'm gonna verify it. I'm not gonna record the entire thing. Game is loading and other stuffs. I'm gonna directly show you does it change or not. Okay. As you can see at the right top, it is saying Spapno is live. So this proves that it's really working. Let's see that it really changed or not. I'm gonna skip this part because there's no point for showing you how long it took me to load my GTA Online. Okay, now let's check. Does our nickname is changed or not? Yes, it changed. So as you can see, Spapno is live is now my nickname, my new nickname. So guys, this is how you can change your nickname in GTA Online as well as in Red Dead Online or any future games of Rockstar Games. Okay, so yeah, that's all guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my second channel, which is Spapno. Okay, I'm gonna leave that channel link in the description box below. Go and check it out. So thank you for watching guys. It's time to say goodbye. So until then, take care, have a nice day, and I will see you next time. Bye.